Namaste. Now I will talk about shape editor. Shape editor is a 3D command which we are going to make a relief or 3D. We call generally relief in ArtCam. So that is a 3D command. To create a 3D we must have a vector. So I am just creating one vector, rectangle and one circle. Okay, sorry, one circle, create, then one rectangle should be there. So I have two objects I created. So I am going to make 3D out of it. Okay. So this is a closed vector. With closed vector we can create 3D. With closed vector we can create 3D use by a command known shape editor. For that, first we have to click the vector, then the icon here, you can click the icon. Okay, shape editor, this icon you can keep. You can use F12 button or you can directly click on this icon, shape editor icon. This is a 3D icon. When you click it, the template will come up. In this there is three options. One is round option, square options, and then third one plane option. First we will see the plane option. In plane option it will give some height only. Suppose if you are giving the height, this height, the start height only it will work, all other things it will not work. So the start height I am going to give here is 50. Okay, 50 for the circle. Then you can add and apply. Add means the material will be added. So the material added and a 3D shape is created here. So this is in 2D view. So in 2D view there is a relief preview is there. If you click it, that image color will come here. Okay, for the 3D preview. Okay, already one relief has been created. Now if you want to see in a 3D, you can click 3D view. In 3D view you can rotate and see. Okay, for that what you have to do is that press the center mouse button, that roller, keep it pressed and just move little bit up, down, left, right, like this. Keep on pressing and then move the mouse. So this way we can able to see the 3D in different angles. Okay, so after that you can leave it. So like this we can create 3D. So this is a flat 3D, just a projection. Okay, so this is a simple way of making a 3D. Next we will see, this is the command here. The mode of relief was add. Now I am doing Control Z, means I am undoing what we done now. I am doing the other mode, subtract. So you can see what happened. The material has gone down. No, it is subtracted. That much of area you got a depth. Okay, so this is add command, means material will be added into the plane, that is 0 0 the plane only. You can see this plane is this 0 0 plane. On that how many mm we have given? 20 mm, 50 mm the height has increased. Okay, height has come. Now you can even change into 30. So you will get a real-time view in this software. Okay, whatever the value you are giving, before applying the real-time view you will get. Okay, so this way this is the basic thing, that is just to add the material. Then other one is to subtract the material, and the shape profile what we used is plane. Okay, so now I am just want to finish this drawing by adding. Okay, I want to keep the material in the upper side and then just apply. Okay, then cancel. So the 3D will remain here. So now I am going to create a 3D for this rectangle. So I click the rectangle profile, then go and click shape editor icon. So the same template will come, and here you have plane profile. Then I want to give a height for that plane profile, that is the start height. I am going to give is 30 mm. Okay, so 30 mm I have given the height. So what is happening now? It's add. The relief mode is add. So what happening is that there is already one relief is there, 20 mm relief is there already. 20 or 30 mm relief is there already. This is also 30 and this is also 30 mm relief is there. So I just want to increase to reduce to 20 now. Okay, so what happened? So this area 20, this area 30, and this area, the combined portions became 20 plus 30 became 50. If you keep the cursor on top of that height, and you see here this point, when I am keeping the cursor there on top of the material, you can see the Z value changes to 50. You can see Z value is 50 in the right bottom corner. Okay, so any point you can see like that. Now this height is 30, this height is